Hey guys, Survival here, and I've got a quick tip for you. When you're buying shelving to store your supplies, get some commercial shelving with a stainless steel mesh shelf. The reason for wanting a stainless steel mesh shelf is that in a pinch you can empty that shelf, take that shelf out of a rack, and you can then use it as a grill to cook on. If you're worried about this type of shelving being annoying for storing smaller items, simply get a tray. This will allow you to store smaller items without them falling through the shelf. Just remember, if you're going to use a stainless steel shelf that is a grid as a grill or as a cooking surface, remember, let that flame warm it and remove any potential toxin that may be on it as a form of coating. Monitor it and use it safely in a well ventilated area. And remember, stay safe in the bush.